There's still a lot to do in precision medicine. We are really in a very early phase of precision medicine, and we need partners. We need partners like Thermo Fisher. We need partners, but also from the pharma companies. We need a lot of support and a lot of interaction. It's not only the money, it's also the interaction between the various partners in order to produce really the best results.
So in terms of the different people at the summit, I think it just shows that there's an incredible amount of excitement about the field and that the field is really starting to enter routine practice. The other thing it shows is that a lot of different people have different areas of expertise, such as immuno-oncology or liquid biopsy. And so we're all able to come together and learn from each other.
Sometimes you almost feel like you come late to the party when you do childhood cancer. So coming to a summit like this actually gives you the opportunity, as Matt has intimated, to kind of see what the adult world is doing, because there's a vast amount of activity in the world of adult cancer, and we're just a small piece of that. But where we're going to go next is very much, I think, reflected in what many of the people at this summit will be talking about.
I would say it is definitely an exciting era. From a patient's perspective, I think it's great. Targeted therapies definitely have shown a larger benefit than chemotherapies. We've seen the explosion in the immuno-oncology space as an example, but now there are new and emerging markers. From an NGS perspective, I think there is evolving more and more literature out there about TMB being a driver.
The clinicians across, they don't want to waste the time with the single gene biomarker to be tested, but they want to be on NGS so that they go at one glance and can decide the treatment easily for the patients. So we need to go with the actionable panels which are going to be useful, which are going to be cost effective, and we easily get with the less turnaround time of 10 working days.
For the patients, this technology is key for proper treatment. So if you have a patient and you do not perform those NGS testing, they will perhaps not be stratified for the right decision. And that is a real clear disadvantage for the patient.
I think the absolute clarity and the depth of the knowledge that comes out of a next-gen sequencing panel is so much more comprehensive than anything they'd ever seen before. And the oncologists quickly figured out that this was information they've never had before. It was valuable and it helped guide how to manage the patients.